Thousands of residents stranded after bridge collapses in Bushy Park, St. Catherine. We have dramatic images. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Also this evening, it will take some time before you get electricity. JPS sends warning to some customers and opposition wants ODPEM to be revamped. There's also sports and weather in this newscast, so stay with us. The news in detail right after this break.